continue the vectors. Last time we looked at it geometrically, what happens when you add vectors, okay? Um, Now let's look at algebraically. Let's say we have this vector u. It's 2i minus 3j. And then v is, let's say, 5i plus 2j. If I'm graphically doing it, let's just do it. Let's do 3i. Two I minus 3, this would be your u, and v would be 3 plus 2i. That's that. That's v. So what's u plus v? So we just add the like terms, 5i minus j. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and j. That's u plus v. Another way of looking at that problem would be, if I take this v and add it to this u, look, I get that vector, so right over here. I'm gonna give you the password for that tomorrow. So what's the magnitude magnitude of a vector? Magnitude, basically what it means is length of the vectors. Length of the vectors are very simple. And this is the symbol we use for the length of the vectors. So v is a plus bj. Length of the vector would be a squared plus b squared. That's all. And the unit vector would be u represent unit vector, v over magnitude of v. So let's look at a problem. If v is 2i plus 3j, what would be the magnitude? 2 squared plus 3 squared. We keep the answer in exact form. 4 plus 9, which is square root of 13. What about the unit vector in this case? So the unit vector would be v over magnitude of v, which is 2i plus 3j over square root of 13. All right, let's try another one. So what's the magnitude for this w? That's what we'll be looking at. Guys, we're not going to do that force Newton problem in the exam at all. We're not going to focus on that. Force or Newton, things like that. This is all about if you could find the vectors, if you could add or subtract vectors. In this case, it would be 3 squared plus negative 4 squared, which is 9 plus 16, which is 25, and 5. So what would be the unit vector in this case? It would be 3i minus 4j over 5, or the way we would write it as 3 over 5i minus 4 over 5j. That's it. That's all this section is about. At the end of the final, I'm gonna drop one quiz and one homework, and that should help your grade. And also, please check my syllabus for your letter grade. That's all I'm gonna cover today. And good luck on the exam on Thursday.